Hey everybody, welcome to Bullshit Corner. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are doing one of two things in the same video, is replacing your axle seal and your axle wheel bearings. It's very important that if you're going through all the trouble to pull your axles to replace the seal, you might as well replace the wheel bearings at the same time. Not do one, but do both sides for the cost of them. They're pretty cheap. And one way to tell, how do you tell if you have a bad axle seal? Obviously you're going to have differential fluid leaking out from around where the axle goes inside the axle housing. Bad wheel bearings, you can tell if your tires are sitting a little bit crooked, if you jack up your vehicle and there's play in your axle, shit like that. You're going to have noise. But anyways, grab some beer and start ripping apart your differential, and let's get these seals and bearings changed. And if you're lucky and you get a magnet, you can just pull it out just like that. Okay, just push your axle in. Maybe I'll get that C-clip out. Same as on this side. Pull it out. Now, if you want to get just the seal out, you could try getting a pry bar in there. I know these seals of mine aren't going to fucking go because they're rusted like fuck. I mean, if I want to fuck around, I can get that seal out, but I'm telling you again, if you're going to replace the wheel seal, do the bearing at the same time, save yourself a lot of headache. Let's get the real fucking tool and get this out. There's no fucking around with this. Put her in there, tighten her up. Here's the slide hammer, stick that bitch in there. And then beat it like it owes you money. See, get both out one shot, fucking done. Alright, let's get this bearing ready to stick back in. It's my least favorite thing to do is to beat it in. I'm going to take that used bearing and press it against it. There, now I'm in. Now we're ready to put the seal on. I always like to spin it afterwards. Make sure there's no issues. So as you saw in the video, like my vehicle in Canada, it's exposed to multiple weather, so the seals and everything else just like to rust in. Like I could have screwed around, pried around with that, got her out, but like I said, change them both at the same time, use rear axle bearing puller, and boom, they come out in seconds. The first one did. The first one was a little tighter, the second one came out easier. Same with putting in the bearings. The one side was a lot harder than the other. Anyways, it's fucking beer time. Let's not ramble on. That job's done. Crack a fucking beer. Let's drink up.